In front of me is Huawei Mate 70, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click at the top right corner of it, and when it's open in pop-up view, click on the second app. Now hold this line at the top of your window and drag your app all the way up or all the way down. Then tap on Home button. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!